These LED amber switchback turn signals from Diode Dynamics really set off the look of our Super Duty. The first step on the install is to remove the battery on the driver's side to be able to reach the turn signal bulb. After the battery is out, there are a few bolts that hold in the battery tray, which need to be removed in order to push aside and squeeze your hand behind the headlight to remove the socket. You can replace the bulb with the new LED bulb, but wait to reinstall it in the headlight. On the passenger side, remove the intake box for clearance to the headlight bulbs. After installing the new bulbs, you will find that they blink too fast. To fix this issue, we need to wire in the Diode Dynamics resistors. To do this, wire them in on each side to the turn signal socket on both of the outside wires. They are the ground and turn signal power wires. Now we can reassemble the intake and battery to finish up installing our switchbacks.